Hi guys, today we're gonna look at the MSCI, which is a company that creates tools and solutions for investment community. And as always, we want to take the estimates. And as always, P should be equal to EPS growth. So PEG equal to 1. For example, EPS divided by 10, E equal 1. And as we see, we're moving into 2025, just a quarter left until we're back into 2025. So I think 2024, let's exclude a quick value for 2024. High quality company, and they're really hard to disrupt. Well, actually, there's almost no way they can become disrupted. Like if I gave you $10 billion to create the same company as MSCI, it would be hard to achieve. So let's do a quick guess. Let's put an average of 30p, 0.05 times 30p as base. This is because this company is always going to trade at a premium. I'm just doing a quick 2024 because it doesn't matter that much. So it would put it at 475, and I would call it quite easy to hit. Okay, let's be more serious for 2025 and onwards because that's where I'm looking at. We can do a quick look and see I entered at them in MPI 508 464. So it actually traded below 475, and I added some shares and made it a bigger position. But I was like very surprised that it went that low. Okay, let's go 17.1 times. Like I say, if this was a less known company, they wouldn't have a premium. I would probably go with like 20 or something. But this company will always trade at a premium. It's just one of those companies, kind of like Nike and McDonald's. But of course, if you could get it at 50p, that would be ridiculous. Let's do our 2025 numbers, the very bullish one. So we're looking at 579 as a base. And you see we're getting close to that number already in 2024. 676 is the median value. And then we're looking at 772, it's the extreme valuation. It got me curious, what is it trading in for now currently? Yeah, you see 38p, that's kind of bonkers. For a company with this low growth, trade at that high P levels. Well, I don't do any buy recommendations. So I wouldn't want to add to my position anyways. It's growing by 13.8%. So 2026 numbers are going to be a bit more interesting because now you had 2 years with about the same amount of growth, and we will actually see compounding as the estimates are not expecting a slowdown in growth. And like if you're like me and you bought it at a good price, this is where it looks from start to look very promising for you in 2026. But it's a very consistent company. Look at 2027, we're up to 21.05. It's a slower growing company, but it's higher quality, kind of like Coca-Cola. You can compare it to Coca-Cola. And the median would be 795 and the ultra bullish. So if you look at 2026, that's where we see some potential outperformance. And you basically have to decide if you're willing to own this high quality company for a longer time and expect less. But like I said, this company will be around for maybe, I would guess, like the next 30 years. This company will still be around in like 2050. That's just my thought. Like you have to do your own assumptions. Like I said, if they go down to 15p for some reason, say they have a negative growth 1 year, yeah, I could see this company actually getting punished very harshly because they're normally such a consistent company. Okay, let's see 2028. This is also what I'm talking about, high quality companies. We're back to 12% growth according to estimates, and we're looking at base case of $804. That would be like basically I would keep up with a global ETF. I would be around that return per year if I hold this for so long. Looking at the median, it's 938. This is where I actually double my money. Here we have the high potential of 1070, which I wouldn't be surprised because today it trades between 35 and 40, and it's been down to below 30p, which you see like it's a giant gap in price. So if you look at next year, for example, 670, because you want some margin of safety. If you want 40%, you're looking at 405. If you want 30%, you're looking at 473, which, so you see, I added some at 460 and I added at low 500s, and actually my first open was at 600. So this position was an early position, and then I basically dollar cost average because I believe this business is so high quality. So over the time I will hold it, I will get a good return, and it's up 10% since I bought it. I only had it for less than half a year, so I'm happy with it. It's for me, I feel it's a safer holding. Well, thanks for listening. And if you like this valuation, there should be another one up soon about booking holdings. Remember to comment, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Yeah.